Some of you are finishing break this week. Some of you go on break next week. I've been busy working with everybody who's working this week. I want to remind everybody that I cannot want your success more than you want your success. And you have to take I guess the expression is take the bull by the horns, right? You have to be responsible for what you need to get done, and I'm here to answer questions when you send them to me. Everybody, I'm just going to pick a couple because all classes next week. Again, I want to back up a second, sorry about that. I want to remind everybody that working in modules is the best way because this is how I am setting this up. Stuff does go on the calendar and does go on your to-do list, but only the things that are assignments. So you might be missing some things that are not assignments if you're not working from modules. So modules are here. The D deadline for everyone today is Unit 1. If you don't have a grade for Unit 1, I'm going to enter a D at the end of today. The D is just a marker to show everybody who sees your status report that you are more than 1 unit behind. When you finish Unit 1, there will be a grade there. If you're not starting Unit 3 next week, because everybody should be starting Unit 3, then send me a plan. Show me what are you going to get done each day, right? If you're looking at it, you can see exactly what needs to be done in a week. And if you're behind, you need to do more than 1 week each week to get caught up. If you're doing less than 1 week, you're going to get further behind. Also, in the getting caught up, don't say I'm going to do 10 assignments in a day. One, there'll probably be something that blocks you because I don't like that, and I try to kind of make it impossible for you to do large amounts of work at once because it doesn't promote good learning. So try to just sit down and say, give me a plan this weekend. I'm at the beginning of Unit 2, Week 1. What are you going to do each day? If you're behind, don't work on the A-level work. Just get yourself caught up. All right, so everybody should be starting on Unit 3. You'll see it marks the week. All right, so that was AP Psychology Unit 3. AP Stats is starting Unit 3. All right, so everybody's starting Unit 3. I've had a lot of people ask me about timelines and dates this week. I want to remind everybody of this pacing chart. All right, so everybody has a pacing chart that shows the deadlines for each unit, so try to keep up with that. I do want to note that I haven't changed it. There are no narrative reports being sent out next week, so if anyone has a question, I just encourage you to write to me, and I will be happy to answer that question. So if you're behind, send some plans. If you're taking a break and you got yourself a little bit behind, make sure you get right back to work, and you be your advocate. I am here to help those students who want to help themselves. I will continue on Monday to send messages to students who at this point are probably at least 2 weeks behind. I probably won't send something if you're just a week behind. So keep sending me your questions. Have a very productive Friday and a pleasant weekend.